Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video provides an overview of the topology mapping document for the database cartridges. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I'm a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. Most of the data collected by Foglight is stored in the Foglight Management Server FMS repository. Foglight transforms this monitoring data into models, which is a set of objects and relationships designed to represent a monitored resource and its parts based on a topology model. This topology describes the logical and physical relationships between the data nodes of the model. At runtime, Foglight dynamically builds these topology models based on data about your system that is collected by Foglight agents. Once the data has been transformed into models, it is no longer available to query directly by SQL from the FMS repository. The charts and graphs displayed in the user interface, as well as reports generated from Foglight, are derived from this data, which is stored in specific locations in the Foglight topology. Since finding relevant topology locations can be challenging to navigate, a topology mapping document is available for SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, and SQL Server BI agents. This functionality is added to the Global View Databases dashboard when a related cartridge is installed. The map is dynamically created, making it current for each cartridge release. The output is created as a comma-separated values CSV file, which can be opened in a text editor or a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel. With this map, users can browse the Foglight topology beginning from the configuration data node of the navigation menu in the FMS console. Data which is collected by SQL Performance Investigator, SQL PI component, is stored in its own separate repository and is not available through the Foglight topology map locations. To begin, log into the Foglight console. From the main Global View Databases dashboard, click the icon with the three horizontal lines near the top right corner of the page. In this menu, a list of database cartridges along with links to the Foglight community and contacting support are presented. Drilling into the database cartridges brings up a pop-up including a What's New for the database cartridge version, release notes, access to the deployment guide, a topology mapping for the cartridge, and a cartridge about screen. By choosing topology mapping, a CSV file is generated from the system and should be downloaded automatically from the browser. Sometimes a pop-up blocker may prevent the file from automatically downloading. The downloaded file is in a comma-separated value format. On this FMS system, we've installed a CSV file viewer. Alternatively, Notepad or a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel can be used to view the file. In the file are details about the topology for each metric collected by Foglight, including the display name and the path in the topology. In this example, we will choose the buffer cache hit rate metric in the mapping, which is in the DBSS data model clusters instances area of the topology. Next, let's move in the FMS console to the configuration data area of the navigation. From there, drill down into Administration, Management Server, All Data, DBSS Data Model, SQL Server Data Model, Clusters, Agent Name, Instances, Instance Name, Buffer Manager, Buffer Cache Hit Rate, History. From there, the topology buffer hit cache rate can be found for the past hour. Changing the time in the zonar and then jumping out of and back into the node extends the time range for the metric history. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit our support site at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.